Welcome to the channel. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to use and logic function. The scenario is your manager asked to identify those customers who spend equal to or greater than $100 and receive 300 points. Let's move to the Excel clients data. So this is the data where customer ID, name, the last purchase, and points. The scenario is we have to identify those customer who spends more than $100 and receives more than 300 points. In Excel, for the true we use 1 and for false we use 100. First we will try using function a and d. This equals to write a and d, open parenthesis, the purchase column, use the condition. The condition is greater than or equals to 100, comma, points, condition is again greater than or equals to 300. Press enter. True, it means that Ariel Nova spends more than $100 and receives more than or equal to 300 points. Now drag it down. And this is the result for the customers who use more than 100 and received more than or equals to 300 points. Excel provided us true. Now we will use the logic. Logic is very simple. Press equal, start parenthesis. The first condition is last purchase and the condition is greater than or equals to 100. Close the parenthesis, use multiplication. Again start the parenthesis and the second is points. The condition is greater than or equals to 300. Press enter. The logic use 1 and the function use true. The function is also a bit complicated, whereas the logic is very simple. Drag it down up to so on. So this is how we use logic and function. Now we can convert this into table. Control plus T, press enter. This is converted into table. Go to pivot, apply pivot. I just want the names and then the and. Okay, no, I don't need and, I need just logic. Here you can see it's a summary table. 0 means false. False means the condition of the manager is not fulfilled. 1 is fulfilled, so we can filter it out and we can use simply using any pivot chart. We can apply the pivot chart. Here we can see that Ariel Nova, Jackson Phonics, and Rowan Amber, these three are the customers who fulfill the manager's condition. So this is how we can analyze the data using and logic function. I hope you understand it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.